Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock player to clue in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So there will be a guarantee 70 until 88 of your mixed player for you. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the quests, how you can challenge the events, so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started. But tap this first, the news. Mystery Signings. Mystery Signing is back with a twist. Uncover hints about two featured players over the week and then choose your favorite to add to your squad. And new mystery signing are added every week. So in every week will be different player, different position also. And let's get back with this one. Try to search the mystery signing. This one, type it. And welcome to Mystery Signings feature. You can reveal player clue to pick mysterious player reward. So I already unlocked the first player or the player 1 clue and uncover player 1. So the first one is Musa Diaby. And let's start with this player 2 clue. The guarantee reward. You can get this guarantee reward 70 please until 88 of your best UCL, UL or UCL player. But there are possible rewards for you. If you're lucky, you can get this player. For example, you can get Gavi from Barcelona or Jamal Musiala, wonderkid from Germany, play for Bayern Munich. And let's tap free. Let's see who else I've got. Tap to open, and I've got CDM player from Scotland playing in Aberdeen. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Scottish league. So maybe you're luckier than me. You can try this one, Mystery Signing Pack, Player to Clue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the X button below. Enjoy the game.